And welcome back to the channel, guys. As we continue to walk through the streets of Paris, I'm really starting to get a feel, a very homey feel that I used to have when I lived here in Paris for a year. Really happy with how the trip is going. We're really enjoying our walk. So today we're actually heading towards Le Marais. Le Marais is in the third and maybe a little bit of a fourth district. It's a it's a very historical and super popular place these days to live, to eat. Lots of great restaurants, a lot of shops. You're gonna see a lot of tourists over there as well, but it's very lively day and night. So I highly recommend that you make a little stop there, have some food, enjoy some cafe. Just sit down, get a coffee, get a pastry, and just do people watching, take on the vibes of the city. So hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. Let's go.
Marais Cafe, it says. Oh, cute. Oh, I don't know if it's open.
No, it is.
How do you know?
Disappeared.
I think it's my phone.
So this is
Oh, Museum de
Picasso.
Picasso.
the Musée Picasso.
Have you been there? And trash. Oh, there. The reason is I'm walking in the middle of the road just to show there's no car in the street. Ah, that is it. This is the Paris City Hall. Oh. Oh no, what is Vie de Paris? Huh? Oh, you mean the Paris City Kindergarten, one of many.
Ubico.
Is that for those bikes? There's so many of them. See, every corner has this little thing.
Oh yeah.
That's truly the way. Oh, look at this. See, this is public bathroom. You need to use the button, and then it's gonna open. Oh, right now it's occupied. Now someone is in there. Oh, let's go.
It's okay to be unleashed, but you need to be. It needs to be very
How do you be bien educated?
So it would not be legal.
Tutu is well educated.
No.
Oh, the cute store. Oh, Palais du Thé. It's truly just window shopping because nothing is open. Oh, this is the one I bought.
Oh yeah, this is the Eve bouquet.
The remember the candle or something. There's a good tea shop. Whoa, what time are they open at all? Cute ones, look all these. Burger This is a burger. But you think Uniqlo is open, but these other ones are not. Shih Tzu. Sandro. But it really looks kind of nothing is open. I see Muji. I think when we came it was kind of, I see, I remember, yeah, on the side. I think it was kind of, I want to take a photo here. It's nice. But is this really open? And then you getting close. I think you keep going. Hey, look at this. It's like Mexico City. Is this a boulangerie? And they have the French flag on it. Yeah. That seems very much for tourists. I have a bad feeling. Huh? They're just walking because nothing is open. Right there. There's a guy in front of it. But you're saying my phone says it's open? Yeah. It would be very weird. This is the only store that's open. Oh, it is open. Wow. That's magic.
A store that we were in Amsterdam, and we thought, no worries, we're gonna get it next time.
Wow. Whoa. Is this the only store that's open? Wow, that's magic. And the big one.
It's nicely decorated. In the men's and women's section. That's kind of nice.
Okay, we're gonna stop here. We're gonna.
Alright, guys. We'll see you back on the channel for the next video. Yeah.
So this one is very popular. Oh, Muji just closed. Where is it? Oh, they're opening now? I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at here. What is it? Yeah.
Partially open.
But now it's already like 11:30. But it says it opens at 10.
Partially open.
Maybe we'll walk a little bit and then they may open.
What is the difference between Uniqlo and Muji? Is it the same competitor?
Both Japanese brands.
But they make
Similar style. Muji is even more plain, I think.
really.
We're very close to the falafel place. This sort of Jewish bakery, right? Is this the one? Yeah.
Yep.
You know, they have the challah and then the thing. Classic sandwich.
Tu restes là, Marais, je te dis quelque chose à ma moitié, tu bouges pas.
Oh, this one. Oh, it's only macaron. Remember, there's a lot of falafel places here. Only one with a lot of people. The other ones are trying to take the customers from them. She's trying to cut open a patisserie. Let me take a look. Wow, this looks creamy. Wow, that one looks a little.
It's 190. I mean, not only, but I feel like
Well, yeah, this is only 160.
affecting the money. I was like, oh, that's only 160.
That is cheap, but that one's too expensive. What is this? Cheddar pastrami NYC rolls. What is that? But this is good.
Yeah.
You see over there. It's nice. You can sit here.
Yeah.
This kind of street. It's a young. Oh, that's a falafel line. Wow. Yes. Wow. I don't think we waited for that long. And then the falafel right across has no one. Oh, yeah. No. This is to go. If you go in, this is the line maybe.
I remember, yeah.
Large juice falafel. This one is cute. This one is also a cute one. Very, very Parisian. Oh, wait, this is not a boulangerie. Where is it? Oh, it's another Jewish type of. Or like bagel, or that's a smear. Bonjour.